Oman offers a plethora of career opportunities across diverse industries like oil and gas, retail, education, manufacturing, and hospitality. This variety ensures non-Omanis such as Nigerians to have a broad spectrum of job choices. For those aspiring to reside and work in Oman, grasping the process of obtaining an Oman work visa and residency permit is crucial. To assist, this video covers all the essential details for securing your Oman work visa, ranging from 1. The visa nature, 2. The eligibility criteria, 3. Document requirements, 4. Visa application process, 5. Cost implications, and so much more to be covered in this video. Welcome to CareerEdu. Today's topic is about relocating to Oman for work. Let's talk about the visa nature. The Oman Work Visa is a permit for foreign workers aged 21 to 60 who've secured a job offer from an Omani company. The employer takes on the role of the visa sponsor and typically handles the acquisition of essential visas and permits from the Ministry of Manpower. It's worth noting that if the employer is a government organization, a permit from the Ministry of Manpower is not needed. How then do you secure a job offer from an Omani company? You can look for job opportunities in Oman through various channels, such as online job portals, company websites, international recruitment agencies, or networking. Here are some online job portals where you can search for job opportunities in Oman. 1. Byte. The website link is www.byte.com. 2. Norkrigulf. The website link is www.norkrigulf.com. 3. Monstergulf. The website link is www.founditgulf.com. 4. Gulf Talent. The website link is www.gulftalent.com. 5. Oman Air Careers. The website link is www.omanair.com/gbl/en/careers. 6. Oman Oil and Gas Jobs. The website link is www.rigzone.com, and many more. What are the eligibility criteria for this visa? First, to be eligible for an Oman work visa, individuals must be aged between 21 and 60. Second, they need a job offer from an Omani company. Third, employers need to obtain employment visas for foreign workers aiming to work and reside in Oman by securing official clearance from the Directorate General of Labor Affairs. What are the required documents for this visa? After the employer has obtained official clearance, the next step is to complete an electronic application available on the Royal Oman Police website. The application should be accompanied by the following documents to successfully obtain a work visa for the employee. 1. Copies of the foreign employee's passport with a minimum of 6 months validity. 2. 2 recent passport photographs. 3. A copy of the labor license issued by the Ministry of Manpower for each application form. 4. Original and a copy of the medical certificate for nationals of specific countries such as India, Pakistan, Philippines, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Sudan, Ethiopia, Syria, and Nepal. This certificate needs to be attested by the Ministry of Health. 5. A copy of approval from the relevant organization for specific occupations, such as teaching, religious, media, and medical occupations, and more. 6. A letter from the Ministry of Manpower for certain occupations like engineering. 7. The employee's relevant certificates and qualifications. 8. An attestation letter from the Oman Embassy in the applicant's home country and the Omani Ministry of Foreign Affairs. What are the fees for the visa? The fee for an Oman work visa is 20 Omani Riyals, approximately $52. It has come to our notice that of all the persons who watch our videos, about 60% are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you are one of these people, we urge you to please subscribe now. Subscribing to this channel helps us and makes the YouTube algorithm bring up our videos to more people. We promise you that the more subscribers we have, we will keep bringing you better videos, loaded with even more interesting and free relocation information. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. What is the Oman Work Visa application process? To obtain an Oman Work Visa, the employer must be based in Oman and have the legal authority to hire foreign employees. Here are the steps. 1. The employer obtains a labor license from the Ministry of Manpower. 2. The employer submits the expatriate application to the Immigration Department of the Royal Oman Police. 3. After securing the work visa, the employee must obtain a residence card to legally reside in Oman. 4. Employees can obtain a residence card from the Civil Status Department of the Royal Oman Police within 30 days of entry. What's the Oman Work Visa validity? The Oman Work Visa is valid for 2 years and allows for multiple entries. Can you change your job? In case of job changes, termination, or the expiration of employment, employees need their employer to agree and sign a release letter approved by the Ministry of Manpower. Any associated fines must be settled. The release letter should declare that both the local government and the sponsoring employer permit the applicant to be employed in the nation. Without a NOC, no objection certificate, the employee must leave Oman for at least 2 years. It is important to note that holders of an Oman Work Visa are not allowed to leave Oman for more than 6 months at a time, except for family members of a visa holder, who have an exception. At this point, how can CareerEdu support you with this? If you need to relocate to Oman for work or residency, please fill out the form attached to the video description. This way, we can easily initiate and guide you through the entire process from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share with your friend and loved ones. Also, turn on the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we drop a new video.